Welcome to another test from the DMV practice tests. In this video we are going to test Alabama DMV practice test. For answers and explanations check the description below and our website for more tests. Question number 1. Carbon monoxide poisoning is most likely to occur during which time of the year? A. Spring. B. Winter. C. None of the listed answers. It is equally risky during all seasons. D. Fall. E. Summer. Question number 2. What must an applicant who has been deported present? A. Proof from ICE demonstrating that their legal present status has been reestablished. B. A form from their native country stating the applicant's driving record. C. A report by the local law enforcement office presenting the applicant's criminal history. D. A recent identification card from their native country. Question number 3. Which of the following statements is true? A. Only develop good driving habits if you're making long journeys regularly. B. None of the listed answers. C. It's good to develop driving habits regardless of how often or how far you drive. D. You don't need to focus too much on developing good habits. Question number 4. If other drivers do not make room for you when entering a freeway, what should you do? A. Stop if necessary and wait until you can merge. B. Merge anyway and blame the other driver for the accident. C. Keep driving on the shoulder until you can get in. D. Turn around and try coming down the acceleration lane again. Question number 5. Which of the following is not a recommended practice for calculating stopping distances? A. The type of brakes that you have, and the condition that they are in. B. Eyeing it, to see if you think you can make it. C. The condition of the road that you are driving on. D. The time it takes you to react when driving. Question number 6. According to the 2-second rule, you should allow yourself at least how many seconds between vehicles in poor weather conditions? A. 6 seconds. B. 10 seconds. C. 4 seconds. D. 3 seconds. E. 2 seconds. Question number 7. Your driver's license may be revoked by the Director of Public Safety if you have blank reckless driving convictions in blank months. A. 3/18. B. 4/24. C. 2/15. D. 2/12. E. 3/12. Question number 8. Parents are required to be present if you are blank years old on the day of your road test. A. 21. B. 19. C. 30. D. 10. E. 16. Question number 9. Which of the following can negatively affect your ability to drive safely? A. Family illness. B. Problems at home. C. All of the listed answers. D. Being distracted. E. Overconfidence. Question number 10. The Director of Public Safety can cancel your driver's license if you are found to have done which of the following? A. Fail to give required or correct information on application. B. Fail to graduate high school. C. Failed to graduate college. D. Failed to refile license if you have moved. Question number 11. Which is the most dangerous form of drug to be used while driving? A. Illegal drugs. B. Marijuana. C. Drug-alcohol mix. D. Alcohol. E. Barbiturates. Question number 12. What colors are informational and guide signs for motorists? A. None of the listed answers. B. Green and white. C. Red and brown. D. Blue and yellow. Question number 13. Is the minimum driving age always 16? A. Sometimes. During the winter, drivers must be over 20. B. No. The minimum driving age is actually 19 in the state of Alabama. C. Yes. Drivers always have to be 16 years older. D. No. There are some exceptions in the state of Alabama. Question number 14. What is one way to prevent hydroplaning? A. None of the listed answers. B. Having good tires with deep treads. C. Driving between the speeds of 5 to 15 miles per hour. D. Purchasing tires from the tire brand Firestone. Question number 15. What is the largest contributing factor in most nighttime car crashes? A. Drunk driving. B. Speed. C. The weather. D. Vision. E. Vehicle failure. Question number 16. Your license may be cancelled if blank. A. Lying on your license application. B. You let your license expire. C. You cause an accident. D. You are involved in an accident. Question number 17. How often does your driver's license need to be renewed? A. It needs to be renewed every 4 years. B. It needs to be renewed every 2 years. C. It needs to be renewed every 10 years. D. It needs to be renewed every 5 years. E. Never. It is valid for your lifetime. Question number 18. What color are the signs for services? A. Brown and white. B. Blue and white. C. Red and white. D. Green and white. Question number 19. It is unlawful to operate a vehicle in Alabama with a blood alcohol level higher than blank. A. 0.05%. B. 0.07%. C. 0.06%. D. 0.08%. Question number 20. Who out of the following can be licensed in Alabama? A. A 14-year-old in high school. B. A 60-year-old with a suspended license in New York. C. A 17-year-old that is still attending high school. D. A 25-year-old that has a documented addiction to narcotics and alcohol. Question number 21. You may not park your car blank. A. Downhill. B. Uphill. C. 20 feet from a fire hydrant. D. In front of a driveway. Question number 22. When should you begin using safety techniques while driving? A. Once the car starts moving. B. Once you turn the car on. C. As soon as you get on a main road. D. When driving conditions are bad. E. The moment you get into your car. Question number 23. Which of the following items is not recommended when backing your car up in reverse? A. Looking out of the driver's side mirror. B. Looking out of the passenger's side mirror. C. Looking through the rear mirror only. D. Looking over your right shoulder. Question number 24. What does the yellow traffic signal mean? A. Speed up. B. Park your car. C. None of the listed answers. D. Clear the intersection. Question number 25. What is the fee for the Alabama driver's knowledge test? A. $25. B. $1. C. $5. D. None. It's free of charge. E. $10. Question number 26. Alabama law requires you to have what turned on when you are using your windshield wipers while it is raining, snowing or sleeting? A. Interior lighting. B. Headlights. C. Radio. D. Cell phone. Question number 27. Headlights must be turned on when your windshield wipers are in use during blank. A. Rain. B. Rain, sleet and snow. C. Any event. D. Sleet. E. Snow. Question number 28. Which is not a feature of an interchange? A. Enables vehicles to leave. B. Enables vehicles to cross. C. None of the listed answers. D. Enables vehicles to enter. E. All of the listed answers. Question number 29. What is the largest contributing factor in most nighttime car crashes? A. The weather. B. Vehicle failure. C. Speed. D. Vision. E. Drunk driving. Question number 30. When may people be required to present a doctor's statement demonstrating medical history and a present medical condition? A. If a person fails an eye exam. B. When it is suspected that a person has some physical or mental disability that may impair their driving ability. C. Only individuals who are over the age of 50. D. The Alabama Department of Public Safety may randomly choose someone to present a note as part of their protocol procedures. Question number 31. When riding your bike, under what age group is required to wear a bike helmet? A. 15. B. 16. C. 12. D. 13. E. 17. Question number 32. What are the possible consequences of driving off without paying for gas? A. License suspension and revocation of your license are possible consequences depending on how many offenses you've committed. B. Revocation of your license. C. A ticket. D. Fines. E. License suspension. Question number 33. What is one way to prevent hydroplaning? A. None of the listed answers. B. Driving between the speeds of 5 to 15 miles per hour. C. Purchasing tires from the tire brand Firestone. D. Having good tires with deep treads. Question number 34. In the event that a motorist is stopped by a law enforcement officer, they must be able to provide the following form of identification. A. Learner's permit. B. Driver license. C. Any government-issued ID. D. Vessel license and driver's license. E. Vessel license. Question number 35. Which of the following is a type of marking a railroad crossing may have? A. Pavement markings. B. All of the listed answers. C. Flashing light signal. D. A gate. E. Railroad crossbook. Question number 36. It is against the law to throw all of the following on roads, except for blank. A. Nothing. It is unlawful to discard anything from your car. B. Nails, tacks, and other sharp objects. C. Cans and bottles. D. Biodegradable items that will decay naturally. Question number 37. Any resident who operates a motor vehicle must have a driver's license. Which of the following is the only exception? A. An RV. B. A tractor. C. None of the listed answers. D. A boat. Question number 38. It is unlawful to operate a vehicle in Alabama with a blood alcohol level higher than blank. A. 0.06%. B. 0.08%. C. 0.05%. D. 0.07%. Question number 39. Which of these is not an exception that allows an individual to drive in Alabama without an Alabama driver's license? A. Temporarily driving a farm tractor or implement of husbandry on the highway or street. B. Being a non-resident enrolled full-time in a school, college, trade school, or university in Alabama while having a valid license from your home state or country. C. Being employed by the U.S. federal government while driving a federal government-owned or leased vehicle. D. Driving with an injured body part in Alabama. Question number 40. When is it legal to throw something out of your vehicle onto a highway or other vehicle? A. It's legal to throw something onto a highway or other vehicle if the item is biodegradable. B. It's okay to throw something out if it's really small. C. It is never legal to throw debris out of your vehicle onto a highway or other vehicle. D. It is only legal in the case of cigarette butts. E. If there are no trash receptacles around. Question number 41. How should you deal with a tire blowout? Perform all of the following except blank. A. Gradually let go of the accelerator. B. Remain calm and alert throughout the tire blowout. C. Brake immediately when you are aware of the tire blowout. D. Steer the vehicle so that it points straight. E. Grip on the steering wheel firmly. Question number 42. Which is not one of the steps to leaving the freeway safely? A. Always using your signal to indicate the direction in which you are leaving. B. Paying attention to the signs on the road. C. Slowing down to 10 miles per hour. D. Being prepared to yield or stop after leaving. Question number 43. Why would a driver need a commercial license to operate a vehicle under 26,000 gross combination weight rating (GCWR)? A. All of the listed answers. B. The driver is driving a vehicle designed to transport 16 or more passengers, or the vehicle is placarded to transport hazardous materials. C. The vehicle is placarded to transport hazardous materials. D. The driver is operating a licensed taxi cab. E. The driver is driving a vehicle designed to transport 16 or more passengers. Question number 44. On slippery roads, you need to drive blank. A. Recklessly. B. None of the listed answers. C. Safely. D. Quickly. Question number 45. Which of the following lines indicates that you cannot pass? A. A white solid line on the edge of the road. B. A broken yellow line on your side with a solid yellow line on the other side. C. A solid yellow line on your side with a broken yellow line on the other side. D. A double broken yellow line down the center of the road. Question number 46. What rule is most important in driving emergencies? A. Call the police. B. Act quickly. C. Be safe. D. Think before you act. E. Don't risk it. Question number 47. Which of the following can negatively affect your ability to drive safely? A. Family illness. B. All of the listed answers. C. Problems at home. D. Overconfidence. E. Being distracted. Question number 48. It is suggested you should take a rest stop every 2 hours or every blank miles. A. 100. B. 250. C. 300. D. 50. Question number 49. Your license may be cancelled if blank. A. Lying on your license application. B. You cause an accident. C. You let your license expire. D. You are involved in an accident. Question number 50. At what age can you get a learner's license? A. 16. B. 15. C. 18. D. 21. Question number 51. It is suggested you should take a rest stop every 2 hours or every blank miles. A. 250. B. 300. C. 50. D. 100. Question number 52. What is the number of points that will cause suspension of your driver license for a period of 365 days? A. 10 or more points in a 1-year period. B. 24 or more points in a 2-year period. C. Anytime you get 2 violations worth 6 points each. D. 18 or more points in a 3-year period. E. 12 or more points in a 2-year period. Question number 53. In Alabama, the motorist knowledge test covers Alabama traffic laws, road signs, and blank. A. Cyclist rules of the road. B. Basic motorcycle maneuvers. C. Rules of safe driving. D. Basic knowledge of large vehicles. Question number 54. When approaching an emergency vehicle with its lights flashing, motorists must move over. If moving over is not possible, they must reduce their speed how much? A. 10 miles slower than the posted speed limit. B. They do not have to reduce speed. C. 15 miles slower than the posted speed limit. D. 5 miles slower than the posted speed limit. E. 20 miles slower than the posted speed limit. Question number 55. How often does your driver's license need to be renewed? A. It needs to be renewed every 10 years. B. Never. It is valid for your lifetime. C. It needs to be renewed every 4 years. D. It needs to be renewed every 2 years. E. It needs to be renewed every 5 years. Question number 56. Which is the most dangerous form of drug to be used while driving? A. Illegal drugs. B. Marijuana. C. Alcohol. D. Barbiturates. E. Drug-alcohol mix. Question number 57. You should signal you are about to turn blank foot before making the turn. A. 400. B. 500. C. 100. D. 300. Question number 58. When a motorcycle is approaching the intersection and intends to turn left, and you are turning left from the opposite side of the intersection, how should you proceed? A. If you see the motorcycle left turn signal on, it is safe for you to turn too. B. If the motorcycle slows down, this means the motorcyclist wants to give you the right of way. C. Make sure the motorcycle is turning and not going straight before you turn, as motorcycle signals are not usually self-canceling. D. Motorcycles always have to stop at an intersection, so it is always safe for you to proceed. Question number 59. You must be under what age to need a parent's consent to become an organ donor in the state of Alabama? A. 20. B. 16. C. 17. D. 15. E. 18. Question number 60. Why would a driver need a commercial license to operate a vehicle under 26,000 gross combination weight rating (GCWR)? A. The vehicle is placarded to transport hazardous materials. B. All of the listed answers. C. The driver is operating a licensed taxi cab. D. The driver is driving a vehicle designed to transport 16 or more passengers. E. The driver is driving a vehicle designed to transport 16 or more passengers, or the vehicle is placarded to transport hazardous materials. Question number 61. If other drivers do not make room for you when entering a freeway, what should you do? A. Merge anyway and blame the other driver for the accident. B. Stop if necessary and wait until you can merge. C. Turn around and try coming down the acceleration lane again. D. Keep driving on the shoulder until you can get in. Question number 62. In the event that a motorist is stopped by a law enforcement officer, they must be able to provide the following form of identification. A. Vessel license. B. Vessel license and driver's license. C. Driver license. D. Learner's permit. E. any government-issued ID. Question number 63. After getting on an entrance ramp, what should be done? A. Come to a complete stop and make sure you have the right of way. B. Enter the acceleration lane and increase speed to match the vehicles and through lanes. C. Park the car and get out of the vehicle. D. Slow down to avoid other cars. Question number 64. The Director of Public Safety can cancel your driver's license if you are found to have done which of the following? A. Fail to refile license if you have moved. B. Fail to graduate college. C. Fail to graduate high school. D. Fail to give required or correct information on application. Question number 65. Which of the following is not a case in which your license can be revoked? A. Using your car in the commission of a felony. B. Driving intoxicated and getting convicted for a second time. C. Killing someone, accidentally or otherwise, with a vehicle. D. Getting 2 speeding tickets in 6 months. Question number 66. You may not park your car blank. A. In front of a driveway. B. Downhill. C. Uphill. D. 20 feet from a fire hydrant. Question number 67. While backing, you should rely mostly on looking blank. A. At your rear mirror. B. Over your shoulder. C. Towards the front of your vehicle. D. At your side mirror. Question number 68. When riding your bike, under what age group is required to wear a bike helmet? A. 15. B. 17. C. 13. D. 12. E. 16. Question number 69. Except for the front windshield, the windows of your vehicle may have A. 32% tinting or lower. B. No tinting whatsoever. C. 32% tinting or higher. D. No tinting higher than 62%. Question number 70. Which is not a common type of highway interchange? A. Circle. B. Trumpet. C. Diamond. D. Cloverleaf. E. Directional. Question number 71. Which is correct regarding drug usage as related to driving? A. Drugs mixed with alcohol are safe to consume before driving because it puts you in a more alert state. B. Over-the-counter drugs are safe to consume when driving. C. Make sure to consult with your doctor regarding drugs to understand the effects of drugs on your driving. D. Prescription drugs are always safe to consume before driving. Question number 72. Within how many foot must you dim your headlights upon an approaching vehicle? A. 300. B. 450. C. 500. D. 260. Question number 73. What is the minimum required distance between you and an emergency vehicle that is currently in progress of a call? A. 100 feet. B. 750 feet. C. 50 feet. D. 500 feet. Question number 74. When driving in hilly areas, you should not blank. A. Drive where thick brush exists. B. Drive at all. C. Coast downhill. D. Travel on narrow roads. Question number 75. When is it acceptable to drive without a driver's license or learner's permit? A. In Alabama, it is acceptable to drive without a license or permit as long as you don't get caught. B. It is okay to drive without a driver's license or permit if you have a permission letter from a police officer. C. It is acceptable only when you are driving a very short distance. D. In situations of extreme emergency it is okay to drive without a license or learner's permit. E. It is never acceptable to drive a vehicle without a valid driver's license or learner's permit in the state of Alabama. Question number 76. Why would a driver need a commercial license to operate a vehicle under 26,000 gross combination weight rating (GCWR)? A. The driver is operating a licensed taxi cab. B. All of the listed answers. C. The vehicle is placarded to transport hazardous materials. D. The driver is driving a vehicle designed to transport 16 or more passengers. E. The driver is driving a vehicle designed to transport 16 or more passengers, or the vehicle is placarded to transport hazardous materials. Question number 77. What is one way to prevent hydroplaning? A. None of the listed answers. B. Having good tires with deep treads. C. Driving between the speeds of 5-15 miles per hour. D. Purchasing tires from the tire brand Firestone. Question number 78. What should you avoid doing when driving in the winter? A. Letting the car warm up before driving it. B. Adding snow treads on the drive wheels. C. Adding an antifreeze solution to windshield washing fluids. D. Using the windshield washer and wipers at high speeds on cold days. Question number 79. Which is not a feature of an interchange? A. Enables vehicles to cross. B. Enables vehicles to enter. C. Enables vehicles to leave. D. None of the listed answers. E. All of the listed answers. Question number 80. Any resident who operates a motor vehicle must have a driver's license. Which of the following is the only exception? A. A tractor. B. A boat. C. An RV. D. None of the listed answers. For answers and explanations, check the description below and our website for more tests.